bottling the barley wine. Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Derica, and you're watching City Steading Brews. We are bottling, obviously, the barley wine.
So that's why we have all these bottles out here. Now this has been sitting since, let's see, when did we start this? February 20th, 2020. So it's been, about 3-4 weeks since we racked it, and today it's time to bottle it. All right, so we got the lid off, we got our measuring equipment, we got a turkey baster, graduated cylinder, and a hydrometer. And all I want to do is just get a final reading so that we can make sure that this really is finished. I'm fairly certain it is. It's been sitting for about 3 weeks now. And we can calculate the ABV and all that good stuff and see where it's at. Okay, so it's at 10:52. Remember that statement I just made where I said I'm fairly certain it's done? It's not. It's not done at all. So what are we going to do? We're going to stir this up. I'm going to put the lid back on it, put the airlock back on, and let it sit for probably another 2 to 3 weeks, at which point we will check again. Because at this point it's about 5.5% alcohol, which, is a decent beer, but it's not actually going to be a barley wine. So I think it needs more time. I'm hoping it's not stuck, which it's possible that it is. And if it's stuck, we'll find out in a couple weeks and we'll go from there. I'm just going to stir it up. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I stirring it up? Well, because when you do that, sometimes the lees can kind of reactivate. A lot of people say that when they rack, they've had that happen, that kind of thing. And I'm also maybe degassing it slightly just to give it any little chance that it has of kicking back up into fermentation again, because I just don't think this is finished yet. It does, however, smell lovely, just so you're aware. Okay, so lid's on, airlock's on. Like I say, probably 3 weeks, a month even, doesn't matter. This should re-kick up. I can already see there's positive pressure in there. It's moving. It showed positive pressure before we started too, so that was an indication. And we like to do this on purpose to show you guys that this is the way things go. Sometimes you can't predict how long it's going to be. This is a barley wine. This isn't a beer. Beer can be done in just a few days. Barley wine could take several weeks. It's only been about 3 weeks. So it's just not done yet. Anyway, so as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.